Okay, so let's get started with some simple math. Let's go 2 plus 2. Working? Okay, let's go 6 minus 3. So working? Let's go 18 divided by 7. So working? Okay. Who's with me? 18 divided by 7 is not 2. Anybody? 18 divided by 7, what? Yeah, it's not 2, right? Okay, so what I want to do is I want to do 18.0. Try that divided by 7. What'd you come up with? Yeah. So here's basically what it boils down to. In Python, if you talk to Python with whole numbers, he'll talk back to you with what, guys? Whole numbers. If you talk to him with numbers with decimal points, he'll talk back to you with what? Numbers with decimal points. Can anybody tell me what these numbers with decimal points are called in programming languages? What are they called, guys? Floats. Good. Good. Some people call them floating point variables. Okay. Let's go 9 %, 4. Let's try that. Okay, I did 9 %, 4 and I came up with a 1. Anyone know what's up with that? Yeah, it's the remainder, right? The percent sign, we call that modulus. Okay? So if I do 8 %, 4, there's no remainder. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Yanku's got a question. Let me see. You did 9.0 divided by 4.0, 2.25. Then you did 9.0 modulus 4.0. Oh, it gave you the remainder as a float. Right. So here he divided floating point math, got the answer in floating point math. Here you did modulus with floating point math, and you got the remainder as floating point math. Okay. Let's see what else we can do. Let's do 7 times 7 times 7. What do you come up with, guys? Okay, you got 343. Let's go 7 space star star 3. What you got? Okay, let's go POW. Left parent, right parent. What, guys? Left arrow. Then let's go 7 comma 3. What do you got? So some people call this exponents, right? So 7 to the 3rd power, or you can do POW, right? 7 to the 3rd, right? No, you don't need a space. You don't need a space. So watch, I'll do 7 times 7, right? Like this, space times 7, and I'll still come up with the same thing. Now, so how many of you guys are starting to see that Python is like super forgiving? Yeah, super forgiving. Okay.